What's going on? I'm here with the team and I want to draw. Same dice roll for both. No snake eyes. Appreciate the fill. We'll do this, I think, 2:30 Eastern Time, 10:17 a.m. Central Time. Start with the owners. No snake eyes. 9 times. We'll go 9 on the teams too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Bill on top. Goat on bottom. Drop it in the spreadsheet. 29 names. 9 times. Over here. 9. Get the giveaway. 29 spots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Money shot. Bill, you got Boston. Gold, you got Seattle. Too bad for you. And there we have it. We're going to make this official. Done. 10-18. Teams. Bill, Boston. John, Tampa Bay. James, Miami. Jeff, Milwaukee. Joey, Mets. Jay, Cincinnati. Terry, Pittsburgh. Nate, Baltimore. Zach, Yankees. Rock Monster, Halos. Ratliff, San Francisco. Rex, Detroit. Zach, Cleveland. Jeff, Colorado. Stoner, Toronto. Good luck. Chad, White Sox. Ratliff, Houston. Chris, Texas. Kyle, Minnesota. Dunn, Arizona. Adam, Atlanta. Grant, Oakland. Chris, Cubs, Nationals. Jared, Phillies. Rick, San Diego. Josh, Doyers. Grant, Kansas City. Barlow, St. Louis. Goad, Seattle. That's what we got. Good luck, everybody. 2:30 Eastern.